Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on your LinkedIn account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website. Now within the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account, you will be asked to enter your credentials. So type in your email address and your password or use your Google account and you will be logged into your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you wish to upload a resume to your profile, click on the Me icon at the top section and then click on View Profile. Now, LinkedIn has the option to create your resume for you once you edit your profile section. So click on Add Profile section and you will be asked to fill up various information about yourself. Click on Add Profile Photo and you will be asked to upload your picture. You will then need to add your About section, followed by your education, your position, your services, your skill, and various other information. Underneath the Recommended tab, you will also find your courses, your certifications, and your projects. You can also add your recommendations and courses that you have done within this section. Underneath Additional, you can add your further experiences, including your publication, volunteering, as well as your patents, your scores, and your language skills. You can also add your contact information within this section if you wish to do so. Once you set up your profile, you can click on the Get Started option, which says Create your profile within minutes. With this method, you can also upload a recent resume and make the required changes and make it public. Click on the Browse File options or drag and drop your resume within this page, and you can proceed forward with making your desired changes, and it will be published within your LinkedIn account. And there you have it. That is how you can upload your resume within LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.